Guys, welcome back to my video. Today I'm going to show you how to make flash and how I made flash. So this is a flash. It just looks like Barry. Correctly looks. So I have written my name here. My starting letter is V. So I written V. Then all these designs with this golden tape. I have made it. Oh, I made one here, one down here. That was a mistake by making. And then here my arm, one mistake, and no, it's not a mistake. Two sellotapes and the golden belt and this symbol. The mask looks like pretty awesome because first I colored the whole thing and rolled it. Then I drew the mask, which is awesome. So for now I'm going to show you how to make it. So you're going to have like this tube for 8 of them, same size. So after that 8 of them, stick 2 with the transparent tape inside. For the 4 of them, then become 4. Then they just need one A4 size paper. Make into half. Then one half this, and other half also this. But you have some extra space for this and this and this. This thing I made it in a small paper extra. Like this, you get a extra paper, and you get a fat paper extra, and even also you get this much extra. And this centimeter is 4. This is also 4, but you think it's big because if it's 4, and I bended it little. This more. Just stick it from the starting position only. This side is the maximum. The transparent tape is here. You can see it. I'll zoom in and show you. You can't see it, I know. Okay, let's go in the front. Then for making this, you can copy in Google. Just make one live. You can see now. You can pause the video and look at it. Look at it. Now again you can look. And the symbol also you can look. You know guys? Okay. After that, the shoes I did like this. You can write it in the first letter here so it won't get lost. And here transparent tape and boots. Then a symbol here, and this is thick paper or thin paper. I'm going to show you the paper. It's like this big, little thin, so thick. Though it's awesome for making this flash. Yeah. After that, then you have these color tapes, like this color tapes. I think you can have or you can buy it, which is good. See, now you can see the thing. It's like this. Okay, thank you guys for watching my video, and please subscribe.